to the channel. How you guys doing? Because I'm doing all right today. So today we are going to be doing a unboxing because I want to give away. So you guys, I want to give away with Twindrip. Okay, so Twindrip is literally two girls who are twins who are doing their own little business, as in like they do jewelries and stuff. So I'm gonna leave like a little video right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'm also gonna leave their link down below along with their Instagram if you guys want to check them out. So before getting into this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys are not subscribed. I'm posting videos every day. I'm trying to keep you guys entertained. If you guys are not following my Instagram, it will be right here on the screen. I be trying to like stay active on my Instagram. I try to ask you guys questions. I think I'm a little boring, so you guys don't respond. So I don't know what's going on, but down below I'm gonna leave my Instagram anyways if you guys want to interact with me. Okay, so let's get into this video. I'm gonna turn on this fan because it's hot. Oh my gosh, I hope my fan isn't loud, so I'm just gonna talk a little loud. Okay, so I'm gonna apologize for right now for the fan noise because I'm hot. All right, so this is the package. I love the bubble letter. I love the pink. It looks like very holographic. It's just, I love how it feels. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. So yeah, you guys. So I entered a giveaway and I won a Selena Cuban necklace. So I cannot wait to see what it looks like. So this is what it's gonna look like outside the package. Ooh. I'm loving this bag, girl, okay? Loving the bag, all right? So this is what it looks like. So we're gonna come inside. I'm loving this. This is so bougie. Ah! Okay, so we're gonna start off with the card. So this is Twindrip. Okay. It says the perfect accessories, and it leaves all like their social medias down below. So I will leave all of that information down below in the description box. Okay. So, oh my gosh, how'd you get your string to be like that? I love that. So the strings have their names on it. So it's TwindripCo. So let's go. Let's get in here. Ooh. I am keeping this string. I'm loving this string. So I'm gonna put this on the side right here. Right, so this is what the box looks like. All right. Okay, girlfriend. First of all, sticker. I love it. Beautiful. So this is what Selena looks like. Oh my gosh, let me put it in a box for you guys. So this is what she looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get a better shot for you guys so you guys can see the freaking shine on this. This is, oh my god, girl. All right, I'm about to put this on right now. So they do have different styles from what I saw, and I'm planning on going to this site and definitely buying the So New York necklace. I love it. All right, so how do you put this on? All right, I'll be back when I figure out how to open this. Okay. So I figured it out. All right, so it's like I'm pushing the button. I'm pushing this, but you just gotta pull it. So. Ooh, I feel fancy. Ah! I'm gonna take you outside so you guys can see this glow, bro. Cause hold on. Twindrip. Oh, yeah. Y'all see that shine? Oh my god. Oh, girl. Girl, not only is the sun blinding me, but the necklace. Ooh, baby. Yes. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at. Oh. Let's go back inside. Let's go back inside, you guys, cause ooh, I'm gonna blind you guys with this drip. Baby girl, the way I'm going to freaking dress down with this. Oh, I really wish I had this for my birthday, because I would. Okay, look at this. Straight drip, twin drip. Oh my gosh, I love this, y'all. Oh my gosh. Shout out and thank you to Twin Drip, because I'm really about to like style this down all the way, y'all. Like, I think this, I don't wear necklaces, but this, I think this is gonna be my new favorite. I'm going to leave the descriptions down below to their website. I'm gonna leave the description down below to their Instagram, to everything, y'all, because this, y'all cannot miss out on this drip. Like, oh, y'all saw that shine. This is dangerous. This is dangerous for the eyes, y'all. Okay, so thank you for coming back to the channel. I love you guys so much. And oh, before I leave, I am having a sale, okay, you guys? I have lip gloss bundles on sale right now for $15. All right, so go ahead. The link will be down below also to my website. All right, so check out this site. And if you guys feel like I should add anything new to my inventory, go ahead, comment down below. I take all kinds of suggestions because I want to work with you guys. Okay, so thank you for coming back to the channel again. Don't forget to get your twin drip, because this girl, this right here, it's the drip. Okay, it's the drip.